All right, crypto fans, let's go into the functionality of the OneKey Classic 1S uh, crypto hardware private wallet. So I'm gonna go through all the features so you can get to know. And if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment. And don't forget to get your 10% discount on all the products of OneKey. They have also a multi-touch color display, awesome model. But this time we're gonna be talking about this amazing one for about $100 with a 10% discount. So first of all, once you open it, okay, we have basically the English language here, and you have several languages. So the one I got has also Spanish, Portuguese, Dutch, and several Chinese and languages. So then this button is the enter. So I don't know if you can, yeah. So this button is the enter. You've got the down arrow button, the up arrow, and the power button. Okay, so and it tells you it's quite interesting. So you can just press this one to go back to the language, and then this button here to continue. So this is a quick start. So next, follow on-screen instructions to set up your OneKey Classic. Okay, so you go there, and then you have two options. Okay, so the first option is to create a new wallet from scratch, where it's gonna have a unique offline basically code for your crypto private wallet, or you can import a wallet. Okay, so I will be showing in both cases the different scenarios. So if you want to import the wallet, what you would need to have is basically your previously made wallet. So in my case, I did one already just to show you. So this is the code that I basically made this, by the way, for the demo purposes. This is basically the key to your wallet. Okay, so it's always offline, it's generated offline, and it's never used online, so it's quite secure. So the next step, what you need to do now, make sure to number them and to safe keep 2 3 copies, physical copies of this somewhere in your house or outside your house or on a safe keep. So that's what I was trying to say, that even if this is destroyed, okay, even if your hardware crypto wallet is destroyed, you can always recover it with your 12 key or 24, which, by the way, they already give you this sheet, recovery sheet, where you have three papers that you can, it's quite a good material paper, let's say, and you can add here either 12, 18, or 24 code, and get three places to safe keep your wallet. Like I said, even if an atomic bomb explodes or all the banks are gone and all this stuff, well, this here is your cryptography for your money, basically, which is not saved on the device. It's created offline from the device, though, and also it's accessible to use on every transaction, what I'll show you later. So let's import now. So if you click on this button here, it will ask you restore the wallet you previously used from a recovery phrase. And then you say, was it a 12 word, 18, or 24? So in my case, it was a 12 word. As you can see here, um, we click 12 word, enter your 12 word recovery phrase in order. So basically in order. So you start off this one. So we have, let's enter now everything. So how do you use it? It's quite simple. So you have up. The first one is E up. So you go E like that until you get the E. Here it is. And then you press this one here, which is the enter. And you go to find the R. Ah, it actually gives you several options here. So you can choose it. So I did, and then it says enter the second word, okay, which is tomorrow. So you see, it's quite helpful. Like you don't need to type everything. It actually generates words for you. It facilitates it for you, so you can actually recover it even faster. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So it just took me like nearly 5 minutes, if not less. So that's how much it takes you to actually recover your code. You just need to make sure to have your codes here, like written and safe kept in three different places, ideally. And really, now I'm entering the last one, so you can see how do you recover your private crypto wallet. And here we just need, this is quite helpful that it actually shows you the actual word at some point, so you don't need to type it all. It's quite a use like this one. And once you enter it, the next screen will start display the 12 words you just entered. Okay, so this is where the step in getting closer to getting back to your wallet. Awesome, your wallet is restored. So now you need to basically set up your PIN. Okay, so in my case, for demo purposes, I'll just set up 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, enter the new PIN again. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here you are. The PIN is set. You recovered your wallet. So that was quite easy. Okay, wallet is ready. Download OneKey app and have fun with your wallet. So I'm gonna make other videos also about all the features of what you can get with your crypto private wallet. And I just wanted to show you on this video uh, basically the functions of the private crypto wallet. So you can either create a new wallet, which I will actually show you uh, on like, I will show you now. Actually, you know what? I will show you now. So if you want to reset, okay, if you want to reset your classic OneKey hardware wallet, so you saw where I went. So you go basically enter here. So here you have the enter button, the lock button, here. It locks it and you add to your PIN. But now I'm just showing you how to restore and reset your private hardware wallet. Basically, you need to go to reset device, okay? This will permanently erase all data stored on the secure element, okay, and internal storage. Okay, erase all data stored on secure element SE and internal storage, including private keys and settings. And then you go to recovery phrase is the only way to restore your private keys that own your assets. Make sure you still have a backup of the current wallet, which is this one here we showed before. And then you have to enter the PIN, which the one we did now. Are you sure you want to reset the device? Yes. Reset complete. Confirm to restart. And here we are. We just reset it and restored your crypto hardware wallet. Now, this is quite important. You might want to do this because you want to own several hardware crypto wallets. You can do that with one hardware wallet, or you can just get several ones and you don't need to do this 10-minute process. I mean, really, it took me to reset and then add your basically wallet to be tied on the device. Awesome.